Joe Beer Master here. We have a couple handle faucets that we're taking off to put a tile shower surround on. And the first handle came off, but the other two just won't budge. No matter what I do, and I don't want to force it too much. So I bought this Faucet handle sleeve puller. At a local hardware store was about $11. And I'm going to show you how to use that. So here's the tool, and the idea is to get these two arms behind the handle, and that would go in the middle here, and you crank it and it'll pull it out. Just like if you're a mechanic, they have tools like this for automotive parts. Alright, so once we got that on there, we want to start twisting it. Trying to do this with one hand. There's some adjustments here. Alright, so now you got it on there. You got two adjustments here for size. We're going to get that on there. You basically twist it.